I know if you are a good hacker or if you are interested in cybersecurity, one question must have arisen in your mind, and that is how to be anonymous in internet, right? On internet, how to be anonymous so that no one can actually trace up your account or can trace up your location, right? The point is there are a lot of controversies which are going over internet, over different kind of platforms, which must have actually made you confused that yes, you can use this particular VPN. So firstly, like before starting out what being anonymous is, let's explain me about what VPN is. So VPN is a kind of a virtual private network. This is more like a kind of a program or a software which once installed in your device, which can be actually Android, iOS or your desktop version. So once it has been installed, what will it be doing is it will be providing you a kind of a fake IP address, internet protocol address, so that this particular IP address or your sometimes few of the most premium accounts of VPN can even change up your MAC address, or which is known as MAC spoofing. This how these two basic terms can actually make your location fluctuate from even from one continent to other. So there are a lot of free VPNs available over internet, and you must have knowing about what VPNs are and how to use VPN. But in this particular video, I just need to make you aware which is the best tool to make yourself anonymous. So keep watching this particular video till the end. If you are new in this channel, just turn that bloody hell red button into gray and just subscribe out this channel, pressing out the bell notification to receive all the latest information about IT, cybersecurity, AI and blockchain, in short, CAP community. So you must have thought that which VPN can actually make you anonymous. Guys, the point is, okay, so let me introduce you from the first of the beginning part of the VPNs, like what can be the free VPNs for the best use. So one of the best VPN which I am actually personally using from the last 2 years, that is Proton VPN. So protonmail.com, you must have heard about that. Protonmail is a kind of an encrypted service which is actually providing your which is actually delivering your mails in a kind of an encrypted form, so that no one can actually trace up your route, whatever the emails are getting from one place to another, right? This is how Proton VPN is also a kind of a service provided by them. What this Proton VPN is doing is that you just need to go to protonmail.com. You need to sign up a kind of a free account that is absolutely free. You need to search over Google how to download Proton VPN. Need to download that Proton VPN. You just need to enter your Proton Mail ID. That is completely only running. Proton VPN is exclusively using only Proton Mail IDs. So if you are using any kind of another email service provider, so possibly that it will not gonna work. So you just need to switch over Proton Mail. That's absolutely free, as I said. And once installed Proton VPN, you just need to enter, and this will be providing you a kind of a 30-day free trial. Now since if you are a hacker, of course, so what you just need to do is after 30 days create up another Proton Mail account, and you just need to switch over your account in Proton VPN Mail, right? So okay, so this was a kind of a basic free VPN guide. Okay guys, now what, like, let me explain you how actually Google is tracing you even after you are using VPN. So you must have visited some websites, of course you must have visited some websites which usually detect that you are using any kind of a proxy, you are using any kind of a fake server, or you are using any kind of a VPN. How this is happening, and if this is happening, then you must be aware. If this is happening, then Google is actually aware that yes, you are also using a VPN. So how even you can make Google a fool? How you can actually make Google understand that yes, you are not on this particular location, you are actually using a VPN, but your anonymizer condition is always showing yes, that yes, you are anonymized, you are an anonymous user over Google, and Google can't trace you. So now I am revealing out one of the top secret, or one of the top VPN which I have been using secretly from all the last decade. And the point is that this particular VPN can actually make Google fool, and can even make out any kind of search engine or any kind of firewall not trace you up. So the VPN name is Tuxler VPN, Tuxler. So this is a VPN which hasn't been doing marketing any long, and anyhow you must haven't heard of this name, Tuxler VPN. But yeah, Tuxler VPN is something which is actually even making Google a fool. Now you will say like, what rubbish you are actually talking about, Dipanshu? There are a lot of VPNs which are claiming that yes, your anonymizer condition can be low down. So I definitely respect out the NordVPN services, but yeah, if you are looking for a kind of a free VPN which can make you completely anonymized over internet or over any kind of a platform, then let me tell you, Tuxler is one of the best option to use. This is as simple as using up or building out any kind of a cake. But yeah, the point is you just need to go over Google, need to search out download Tuxler VPN. The first link will be showing you up downloadation of the Tuxler VPN. You need to download it up, and it is as simple as that. You just need to click over the icon, and yeah, you are anonymized. Now let me explain you how will you identify that yes, you are seriously anonymized, right? Like yes, this particular VPN is working actually fine. Till now guys, you all hackers and all the cyber security geeks who are watching me now, so you must have aware that, yeah, just let me make the mic clear. So you just need to make aware yourself that yes, you till now, if you are actually switched over to a VPN, what you guys were doing, you were going to Google and you were just typing out, searching out what is my IP, and when actually the IP is getting fluctuated, you think that yes, you have been a hacker, right? But the point is, this is no longer a true fact. There is a website that is known as whoer.net. In the description below you will be getting up the link, and on the screen itself you must be viewing out whoer.net. So it is https semicolon slash slash whoer.net. What this website is actually doing, if you are able to make this website a fool, so just as an example, what I will be just doing is, after switching up a kind of a, like after using Proton VPN, as soon as I got connected with Proton VPN and went to this website whoer.net, this website will be showing condition yes after in front of anonymizer. So there are few of the conditions listed in this website once you will be using it on your own. So this is a more like a kind of a theoretical video, I know, but if you want me to show out the complete practical, then let me explain you just need to comment out. It would not even taking harder than 10 seconds. You just need to comment out that yes, we guys need a complete practical tutorial to be anonymous over internet. I will be definitely making out each and every single thing and will be explaining you all this stuff in more detail. So the point is, once you have downloaded Tuxler and once you have downloaded Proton VPN, you just need to go to this website after connecting with Proton VPN or using the service, and then you will realize that the condition of anonymizer is showing yes. That means that you are using a kind of an anonymizer software. What anonymizer software is, that is making your identity hide in the fakeness of an kind of an IP which is not yours, right? So this will be showing that yes, you are using an anonymizer. But once you are actually getting disconnected after Proton VPN, you are getting connected with Tuxler VPN and then visiting this site, I guarantee you this website will be showing you as a kind of anonymizer condition no, blacklist condition no, and DNS spoofer no. So this is a kind of a video which can actually make your concepts clear and which can make you aware that yes, if you are able to make this particular website which has been installed with a lot of firewalls in itself, so if you are able to make this complete website full just using Tuxler VPN, then congrats guys, you are anonymous over internet. So once again, if you have actually watched this video till the end, I hope you are actually liking and it seems informative since you have reached out the end. So of course, just turn that particular red button into gray and subscribe out this channel and press out the bell notification to receive all the latest information, and just comment out if you want a practical video over this complete session. Thank you so much.